Today we're checking out the Jeep licensed by Red Rock rectangular adventure mirrors with printed Jeep logos in textured black finish for the 1976 and newer CJ7, Wrangler YJ, TJ, JK, and JL. These mirrors are a great option for Wrangler owners looking to maintain visibility and legal compliance when running without the doors, while adding a rugged, trail-ready appearance. Right out of the box, the standout feature of these mirrors has got to be their no-door compatibility. Designed specifically for use when the factory doors and mirrors are removed, these bolt-on mirrors let you keep full side visibility and keep you street legal with the doors off. They're ideal for off-roaders who like to strip down for the trail but still want a functional, dependable mirror setup. The rectangular design provides a wide viewing angle for enhanced rearward visibility. Whether you're navigating those tight trails or merging onto the highway, these mirrors help reduce blind spots while offering clearer view for what's behind you. Adding to their appeal is going to be the printed Jeep logo on each mirror, giving them a subtle but stylish brand-specific touch. It's a small detail that ties in well with the other Jeep-themed accessories and helps these set apart from more generic mirror options. Another important feature is the quick and secure mounting system. These mirrors attach to the upper door hinge using the provided hardware, making them easy to install and remove as you need. And thanks to their bolt-on design, there's no need for drilling or permanent modifications to your Wrangler. They're also going to be highly adjustable with this nice articulating arm on the back, and the mirror arms and heads allow for multiple angles and positions so you can fine-tune the setup for optimal visibility based on your seating position and driving style. Built from heavy-duty steel and robust plastic housings, these are designed to handle the rigors of off-road use. They feature a textured black powder coat finish that not only matches the factory trim, but also resists corrosion, scratches, and wear from trail debris. The durable mirror housings is going to be impact resistant and built to withstand the vibrations without constant readjustment, even on that rough terrain. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $100 price range. That's a great value for Wrangler owners who regularly remove their doors and want a safe, sharp-looking mirror solution without going over budget. Installation on this is very simple, so we're rating this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should take you about 30 minutes to get the job done. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a 13mm ratchet wrench and a 15mm open-ended wrench. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some mirrors on our Wrangler, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so obviously we have our doors off. These mirrors are meant for keeping you legal with your doors off, so the first thing we're going to do is grab our mirror mounting bracket. We're going to grab 2 of our provided flange nuts. The first one we're going to thread onto our stud with the flange portion facing down. Get that all the way up. You want to thread this all the way to the top of your threaded portion. Now if this flange nut gets a little stiff, you're going to need to use an open-ended 15mm wrench to get it there. These are powder coated, so sometimes that powder makes the threads a little tight. We're going to go all the way up. And once we have that all the way up, we're going to insert our mounting bracket into our top door hinge. And we're going to get this in. And we're going to install our second flange nut at the bottom. Yeah, run up. And we're just going to snug this down with our 15mm wrench. We're not going to fully tighten it just yet. We're going to get in the general area of where we want our mirror to be. Next, we're going to grab our provided mounting bolt for our mirror. We're going to get a lock washer and a flat washer onto that. We're going to send that through our mounting bracket. And on the other side of that, we're going to add in another flat washer. Once we have that on, we're going to grab our mirror and thread our mounting bolt into that. Okay. Now once we have that loosely in place, we're going to turn our mirror to the correct placement. You want these vertical. Then we're going to grab our 13mm ratcheting wrench and tighten this down. Now once you have your mirror adjusted where you want it, you're going to take your 15 millimeter wrench and fully tighten down your mounting nut. And once you have this side on, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Jeep licensed by Red Rock rectangular adventure mirrors with printed Jeep logo and textured black finish for your 76 to current Jeep CJ7, Wrangler YJ, TJ, JK, and JL. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.